Hello, good afternoon class. Today we will talk about battles over Bengal. The battles fought in Bengal were very important as Bengal was one of the richest provinces in India at that time. The East India Company fought two battles to gain control over the province of Bengal. तो बंगाल उस समय का सबसे अमीर था, तो उसको कैप्चर करने के लिए मीन्स उस पर अपना अधिकार जमाने के लिए ब्रिटिशर्स ने दो बैटल्स लड़ी थी. फर्स्ट वॉज द बैटल ऑफ प्लेजी एंड लेट्स now see this Sirajuddaula, the Nawab of Bengal. The Battle of Plassey was fought because the British were misusing their trade privileges given to them by the former Nawab, not paying duty मीन्स जो टैक्स उनको वहाँ पे ट्रेड करने के लिए पे करना होता था वो भी नहीं देते थे. दे हैड ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड बिल्डिंग देयर आर्मी, एक्सपेंडिंग देयर बेस एट कलकत्ता. दिस was against the Nawab of Bengal Sirajuddaullah's permission. The British emerged victorious in the battle. Sirajuddaulah was captured and put to death, and Mir Zafar was made the ruler of Bengal. अब सिराजुद्दौला की जब जो उनने उनको छूट दी हुई थी उसका जब मिसयूज़ किया तो उन्होंने उनके खिलाफ लड़ाई करी, लेकिन लड़ाई में सिराजुद्दौला हार गए और फिर मीर कासिम को वहाँ का नया नवाब बना दिया गया. नाउ सी बैटल ऑफ प्लाजी फॉट इन द ईयर 23 June 1757. Battlefield was a Plassey. Now see Battle of Buxar. A few years later, the Battle of Buxar broke out between the Nawab of Bengal, Mir Qasim and East India Company. मीर कासिम और अब ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी के बीच में लड़ाई हुई. The East India Company had used their victory in the Battle of Plassey to get a number of privileges from a new Nawab of Bengal, Mir Qasim. The company official often misused these privileges and reduces the income of a province of Bengal. Tired of this plunder by the British, Mir Qasim declared the war against the company. He was supported in this war by the Nawab of Abbas Siyad Shuja-ud-Dullah and Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II. The British emerged as a victorious. अब मीर कासिम से ज़बरदस्ती और छूट लेने के लिए इन लोगों ने उनको परेशान करना शुरू कर दिया. इससे परेशान होकर फिर उनने लड़ाई इनके खिलाफ की. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द जॉन होलवेल, वन ऑफ द ब्रिटिश प्रिजनर एंड सर्वाइवल, सिराजुद्दौला confined 146 prisoners in a small prison named Black Hole in Calcutta for 3 days in 1756. The prison was too small that many of them died because of suffocation. Now see strengthening of a company's power. After the Battle of Plassey Buxar, the East India Company introduced other policies to further strengthen its position in India. So first one, it was the subsidiary alliance introduced by Marcus Wellesley, the Governor General of India. It stated that the Indian ruler who were under the protection of a British would have to maintain a permanent British army in their kingdom and also had to pay for its upkeep. The rulers also had to keep a British official called resident at their courts. Means हर उस एरिया में जहाँ पे ब्रिटिश जीते थे वहाँ पे ब्रिटिशर्स का एक ऑफिसर उनके राजमहल में ज़रूर रहेगा. The Governor General wrote that Housing introduced a policy called the Doctrine of a Lapse. According to this policy, the Indian kingdom, which was already under a subsidiary alliance, had to give up a territory to British if the ruler did not have a nature male. अगर मतलब डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स का मतलब ये था कि अगर मानो उनका कोई भी मेल बेटा नहीं है राजा का, तो उनका जो राज्य था वो ब्रिटिश के अंडर चला जाएगा. मीन्स उनका कोई राजकुमार ना हो. तो